What time do you start your English practice?
I start my English practice at 8 o'clock.
How many hours do you spend improving your English?
I spend 2 hours improving my English every day.
Where do you usually practice speaking English?
I usually practice speaking English in my room.
What do you like the most about your English practice time?
I like learning new words and using them in sentences.
Which part of English do you find the most interesting?
I find conversation practice the most interesting.
What does he do to improve his English speaking?
He listens to English podcasts and repeats the sentences.
How long does she spend reading English books every day?
She spends about 1 hour reading English books every day.
Where do they practice English conversation together?
They practice English conversation together at the park.
What does it mean when someone speaks fluently?
It means the person can speak easily and confidently.
How does this method help beginners in English?
This method helps beginners speak naturally and think in English.
What kind of topics do students discuss in conversation class?
Students discuss daily life, hobbies, and future plans.
How do you improve your pronunciation skills?
I improve my pronunciation by repeating after native speakers.
What does your teacher suggest for better fluency?
My teacher suggests speaking English every day without hesitation.
How does practice make your English better?
Practice helps me remember words and speak with confidence.
What time does your class usually end?
My class usually ends at 10 o'clock in the morning.
What kind of videos does he watch to learn English?
He watches English conversation videos on YouTube.
How often does she talk with her English partner?
She talks with her English partner 3 times a week.
What do your friends think about your English improvement?
My friends think my English has improved a lot.
What makes conversation practice enjoyable for students?
Interesting topics and friendly partners make practice enjoyable.
What tools do learners use to improve their English fluency?
Learners use apps, books, and online videos.
What time does she usually practice listening?
She usually practices listening at night.
What motivates you to learn English every day?
I feel motivated when I understand new phrases and use them.
How does he memorize new vocabulary?
He memorizes new words by writing them in sentences.
What do students usually do in a 2-hour practice session?
Students practice speaking, listening, and role-playing conversations.
What helps you stay focused while studying English?
Listening to calm music helps me stay focused.
What kind of mistakes do beginners often make?
Beginners often make grammar and pronunciation mistakes.
What do teachers do to make lessons more engaging?
Teachers use games, pictures, and real-life examples.
What helps her gain confidence in speaking English?
Regular speaking practice helps her gain confidence.
What kind of English does he want to learn?
He wants to learn American English.
What is your favorite English word to say?
My favorite English word is beautiful.
What do learners feel after 2 hours of practice?
They feel more confident and comfortable speaking English.
What do you like to discuss during your practice sessions?
I like to discuss travel, food, and technology.
What kind of books help you improve your English?
Storybooks and short novels help me improve my English.
What do students learn from role-playing conversations?
They learn how to use real-life sentences in daily talks.
How does she practice English pronunciation?
She practices by recording her voice and listening again.
What do learners usually write after each session?
They write new words and sentences they learned.
What helps you remember English phrases?
Using phrases in daily life helps me remember them.
What kind of movies do you watch to learn English?
I watch English movies with subtitles to understand better.
What do teachers recommend for improving listening?
Teachers recommend listening to English podcasts daily.
What makes English speaking easy for you?
Speaking with friends makes English easy and fun for me.
What kind of sentences do you practice most?
I practice sentences for daily communication.
What does she do before starting her English class?
She revises the previous lesson before class.
What do learners focus on in conversation practice?
They focus on pronunciation, fluency, and vocabulary.
What do students feel after completing a session?
Students feel proud and satisfied after practice.
What do you do when you forget an English word?
I try to explain it using other words.
What makes speaking English fun for you?
Learning through games and challenges makes it fun.
What time do they usually meet for English practice?
They meet at 5 in the evening for practice.
What do you do during your 2-hour study break?
I take a walk or listen to music during my break.
What helps you speak English naturally?
Thinking in English helps me speak naturally.
What kind of practice do you prefer, alone or with a partner?
I prefer practicing with a partner.
What does he listen to for improving his accent?
He listens to English songs and news channels.
What do you use to record your speaking sessions?
I use my phone to record my speaking practice.
What makes English grammar easier to learn?
Regular reading and exercises make it easier.
What kind of games help students speak English?
Word games and role-play activities help them.
What do you learn from your teacher every day?
I learn new words and expressions every day.
What do learners do to stay motivated?
They set goals and track their progress.
What do you think is the hardest part of English?
The hardest part is using correct tenses while speaking.
What kind of expressions do you use in daily life?
I use greetings and polite expressions daily.
What helps him improve English pronunciation?
Listening to native speakers helps him a lot.
What do you like about learning new vocabulary?
I like using new words in my conversations.
What do students feel when they understand everything in English?
They feel happy and proud of their progress.
What kind of mistakes do you correct first?
I correct pronunciation mistakes first.
What helps you become more fluent in English?
Daily speaking practice helps me become fluent.
What kind of topics does your teacher give you?
My teacher gives topics about daily life and travel.
What helps her learn new idioms?
Watching English shows helps her learn idioms.
What kind of exercises improve your speaking skills?
Tongue twisters and role-play exercises help.
What motivates you to keep learning?
Positive feedback motivates me to continue.
What do you do when you don't understand a word?
I look it up in the dictionary.
What makes your class more enjoyable?
Friendly classmates make my class enjoyable.
What helps them learn quickly?
Regular practice and revision help them.
What do you usually practice at home?
I usually practice conversation and pronunciation.